Hi, I'm Ben Gromicko from Internachi, and I'm inviting you to watch several short videos about business and marketing for home inspectors. In the videos, I will talk to you about getting trained and certified, becoming experienced as a home inspector, including ride-alongs and mentoring, the best and discounted inspection tools, safety equipment, and inspection report software, calculating profitable inspection fees, and then getting a domain, a logo, and a website that's designed to make money for you, standing out on Google and getting Google reviews, and getting new clients and free inspection job leads provided by Internachi. And then at that point in the video series, you'll be able to start making money as a home inspector. And that's the goal. That's the goal in any business, making money and enjoying a great living. This is Inspection Business and Marketing Made Simple by Internachi.